Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a TTS engine that exposes pitch and timing controls. This is critical so the voice can sing. Next, load a neural or high-quality sampled voice and confirm phoneme output is accessible. Import your melody as a MIDI file or explicit pitch contour and align each lyric syllable to specific notes. Once done, generate a phoneme-timed script so you have precise timing markers. This gives you the control needed for natural note transitions and avoids robotic timing. Now you map phonemes to the melody. Assign each phoneme or syllable a target pitch and duration based on the MIDI or contour. Use pitch bending for slides and ensure legato by overlapping adjacent phoneme timings slightly. Adjust formant shifting or timbre parameters to keep the voice natural when raising pitch. Otherwise, it will sound chipmunked. Then run a vocoder or neural singing model pass to synthesize voiced output and listen for consonant clarity and vowel sustain so the words remain intelligible. Finish by rendering clean vocal stems and a guide MIDI so you can mix later. Export at a high sample rate for headroom. Then tweak dynamics, add subtle vibrato, and automate timing nudges until phrasing feels musical. If you notice artifacts, harsh formants, pitch jumps, or robotic sustain, reduce pitch shift range, increase smoothing, or realign problematic phonemes. If persistent, retrain the model on a tiny singing dataset or switch to a different vocoder. That troubleshooting step usually fixes the remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.